Hi everyone, it's Don from Crux Terminatus with Hellblade, or why you should do everything in a single go, otherwise this happens. So you'll see what I mean as we go along. But for this one, the model itself only really comes in one major piece, but the gap in this is shocking. It's a good sort of 3mm out. I really don't understand how that's possible. So I had to fill the gap with green stuff and then basically make my own canopy catch. You can see it fits in there. I wasn't too bothered about it because I knew it was going to be black, so I was okay with doing that. Not that you should be okay with that kind of price for a model, but anyway, it's another story. So I painted all the cockpit details, even though there's very little chance you were going to see them, and then I did some pre-shading with some black in the airbrush. So I wanted it to be a kind of orangey yellow, like a burning, like a molten metal almost. So what I started to do was to go around all the panel lines in a sort of really sort of reddy orange, with my intention to go in the middle of the panel lines with bright yellow, and I thought that would give me roughly what I was looking for. You'll see that it doesn't go as smoothly as that, but the theory itself was okay. So I had to go over the lines quite a bit, and I'm going to go in with yellow now, and you'll see how disappointing this is. It was not the effect I was going for. So I go in and I have to go over all the lines in red this time, because the yellow just didn't do anything. It sat on top of the orange and didn't do anything. So if you've ever been faced with this, the best thing to do is to go back to white and then use that as the base for the yellow, and that makes your yellow much more vibrant. But he says that you'll see that on one side I've got it done quite well, and the other side I'm still doing it, and the effect looks very, very different. That's because I took a break, and I was struggling to remember exactly how I did it. So my advice from now on is going to be just do it all at once, because otherwise you'll be going, nope, that's not right, that's not right, that's not right. If you're interested, I did get the effect I was looking for by going back over the yellow with orange, and then going back over the red lines with lots of orange to sort of make them almost like a mahogany colour. It's hard to describe, but that's what I did. I kept going over the panel lines with orange until they became that sort of browny colour. And the effect doesn't really happen until you paint the rest of the ship black, and then highlight the black, and then somehow it pops out. And you'll see there that what I do is I go back and I paint them white. I paint them orange first, doesn't work. Paint them yellow, doesn't work. Paint them white or pale yellow. And then I have to go over it with yellow again, and you'll see that it looks completely different to the other wing. So I went over with orange and made them kind of look the same. So there's the finished article. I put a stripe down its back just to break up the black with the engine and everything. Painted the canopy, which hides the black canopy seal quite well. But take my advice, do everything in a oneer and you won't be getting yourself into the mess. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't done so. Love you guys. Cheers. Bye bye.